In this plate spinning tutorial, we are going to be learning the Wolverine, which is the plate spinning trick I am doing right now. All right, for this trick, we are gonna zoom out a bit so you can see the setup. So look, we're gonna take one plate, put it between our armpit, making sure that the lip side is accessible from your spinning hand. So you can grab it just like so. The same thing is gonna go for the plate between your legs. You wanna make sure that these plates are the exact same direction. And then, of course, you're going to want to, oh God, I have to come back to you guys. You want your hand grip to be like this. You all can see that, perfect. My index finger is on the top of the sticks. My middle finger is on the left side. My thumb is on the right. My other fingers are just dangling underneath, just like so. And we're just making a cross or an X. I'm gonna waddle back here. Okay, so now that you have that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put one plate on our spinning side. Get the plates spinning by using the Circus start method. You need the Circus start method, so if you don't know how to do that, watch my basic plate spinning tutorial. We're gonna put one on one side. Oop, having a little bit of trouble getting this. There you go. We're gonna get our armpit plate, just like so. Put it on the other side. Oop. And then the final plate, the secret to this final plate is lifting up your leg to get it on the plate, just like so. Then we spin, get it up. And then with our thumb and our index finger, we're gonna put that plate in the middle, and that is the Wolverine. All right, for a clean finish, we're just going to take one plate off, put it underneath our armpit, the next plate off, put under that armpit, and finally, we take the third plate off and wrap it up. Subscribe for more circus-related tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.